Good day everyone. This is KLSE Bull Signal. In this video I would like to share information on Bursa Malaysia IPO listed in January 2020. Powerwell Holdings Berhad 0217 was listed on Bursa Malaysia ACE market under Industrial Products and Services. Mercury Securities is the principal advisor, sponsor, sole underwriter, and placement agent for the IPO exercise. Here are some of the information about this IPO listing. The IPO exercise entails a public issue of 87.4 million shares and an offer for sale of 58 million existing shares. It was oversubscribed by 24 times. Initial offer listing price at 25 cents with Sharia compliance. Powerwell Group Berhad IPO open for public application on the 2nd of January until the 10th of January. Balloting was on the 14th of January and on the 20th of January was the allotment of IPO shares to successful applicants. The actual listing date was on the 22nd of January 2020. The Powerwell Group is a specialist in the design, manufacturing, and trading of electricity distribution products with over 25 years of experience in supplying its products for both local and international projects. All of the group's low-voltage switchboards and medium-voltage switchgears are customized equipment that are tailored to the needs of a building or an infrastructure. It operates 4 plants, where 2 are based in Kota Kemuning, Selangor, and 2 are located in Binh Duong, Vietnam. At Powerwell, they believe in fostering a mutual beneficial and lasting business relationship with both customers and partners. Powerwell has 9 subsidiaries in Malaysia. Partner agents are from Vietnam, Bangladesh, Singapore, Philippines and Pakistan. Technology partners are ABB, Schneider Electric, Siemens. Powerwell product range are as follow: 1. Powerwell low voltage switchboard. 2. Prisma IPM system low voltage switchboards. 3. Siemens medium voltage switchgear. Its products are sold to main contractors, mechanical and electrical contractors, and EPCC contractors locally and via appointed distributors if they are exported to overseas market. From 2016 to 2018, Powerwell has made around 40% of its sales from overseas market, mainly Vietnam, Bangladesh, and Indonesia. Powerwell projects covered factories, power plants, residentials, condominiums, office towers, and MRT infrastructures. These are financial highlights as at the 31st of December year 2019. Its revenue is 88.1 million. Profit before tax is 13.5 million, and profit for the period is 9.5 million. Basic earning per share is 1.92 cents. Powerwell's IPO exercise a public issue of 87.4 million new shares and an offer of 58 million existing shares by private placement to identify investors. Out of the 87.4 million new issuance, which represent 15% of the group's issued capital upon listing, 23.8 million shares will be allocated to the Malaysian public and 60.7 million shares to the Bumiputra investors approved by the International Trade and Industry Ministry, and 2.9 million of share by way of private placement to institutional and selected investors. Powerwell aims to raise 36.36 million from its proposed listing on the ACE market. Upon listing on the main market, the group will have a market capitalization of 145.14 million based on the issue price of 25 cents and its total share capital of 580.55 million shares. Powerwell intends to utilize its gross proceeds for the capital expenditures of 10.27 million. This includes purchases of machinery and equipment and upgrading of its ERP systems. Certification expenditures of 3.87 million. Powerwell intends to obtain IEC standards compliance certifications for its range of products to enhance their status and marketability to customers who require switchboard products that possess IEC certification. Working capital of 3.62 million. This includes 2.3 million in purchases of materials and components and 1.3 million in marketing expenses, where it intends to increase its participation in various international electricity industry trade fairs and exhibitions. Estimated listing expenses of 4.1 million. Powerwell is subjected to the following risks: 1. Fluctuations in revenue, profits, and cash flows from operations. This is because Powerwell's source of revenues are largely project-driven, and it does not have any long-term contracts with any particular customer. The future profitability of Powerwell lies in the management's ability to continue to secure new projects from both existing and new customers in years to come. 2. Reliant on the construction industry, its customers are mainly contractors, mechanical and electrical contractors and EPCC contractors in the building and construction industry. Hence, demand for switchboard products is highly influenced by the condition of the construction industry. 3. Volatility in raw material prices, the key materials used to manufacture metal sheets and copper bus bars. It is subjected to price volatility resulting from volatility in global metal prices. At 25 cents a share, its IPO shares are offered at PE ratio of 11.96 based on its earnings per share of 2.09 cent and PB ratio of 2.08 based on its latest net asset value of 12 cents as of the 30th of September, 2019. It does not set itself a fixed dividend policy at the moment. Powerwell Holdings Berhad, which debuted on Bursa Malaysia's ACE market, rose as much as 5 cents or 20% to 30 cents on the 20th of January, 2020. Powerwell has delivered a string of profits for the last 3 years. These profits had been made through past projects which have been completed. They would not contribute to future revenues and profits. Presently, Powerwell has an unbilled order book of 52.21 million, which would be billed progressively until 2020. Beyond that, its performance would be dependent on its ability to secure new contracts with existing and new customers in future years to come. The above sharing is some of my personal views and research of the company. I hope through this video you have better understanding on the Powerwell Holdings Berhad. I will be producing more videos about new IPO stocks in the coming future. If you found this useful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to like and share my video. Thank you for watching. Last but not least, please go through the disclaimer notes. Thank you.